How can I update my fake AirPods?
Hello, everyone. Today we're going to discuss a topic that could be helpful to many of you out there. We'll be looking at how you can update your fake AirPods. While original Apple AirPods generally update automatically, fake or replica AirPods may require a manual process. Please note that the exact process may vary depending on the brand and model of your fake AirPods, so always refer to your specific model's user manual or manufacturer's website for the most accurate information.
Why update your fake AirPods?
Just like with any technology product, it's crucial to keep your devices updated. Updates often include bug fixes, performance improvements, and occasionally new features. So even if you're using a pair of fake AirPods, updating them can help ensure that you're getting the best possible performance and functionality.
Checking current firmware version.
Before you update, it's a good idea to check your current firmware version. This can be done in 2 steps. 1. Connect your AirPods to your smartphone or tablet. 2. Open the Bluetooth settings on your device, find your AirPods, click on the settings icon next to it, and look for the firmware version information. Remember, the actual process may vary based on your device and the brand of your AirPods.
Updating your fake AirPods.
Unlike genuine Apple AirPods, fake AirPods may not have an automatic update feature. Here's the general process. 1. Download the manufacturer's companion app from your device's app store, if available. If an app is not available, you may need to visit the manufacturer's website. 2. Open the app or website and follow any instructions provided for updating your AirPods. 3. The update process may include downloading a file and sending it to the AirPods through the app, or it may require you to manually update via a computer. Note: be cautious when downloading and installing updates from sources other than verified app stores. Always make sure you trust the source before proceeding.
Troubleshooting.
Sometimes, you may encounter issues during the update process. Here are a few common troubleshooting steps. Ensure your AirPods are fully charged and within range of your device. If the update isn't working, try restarting your AirPods and your device. If issues persist, contact the manufacturer's customer service for further assistance. And that's a wrap on how to update your fake AirPods. While the process may seem a bit complicated, it's worth doing to keep your devices running smoothly. Remember, always refer to the specific instructions for your model, and don't hesitate to reach out to the manufacturer if you need help. Happy listening and see you in our next guide.